What's
What's
up,
up,
traders?
traders?
Welcome to the Traders Lab. My name is Angie.
And I'm Nick. Well, together with Olymp Trade, we are going to make you a smart trader just in 6 days.
Exactly, my friends. So please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and obviously ring on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on anything. And
Okay,
likewise, we do want to see all of you on our social networks.
social networks, my friends. So don't forget about our social networks and let's get started, my
Let's
friends.
get started.
So let's switch into the platform. So Angie.
Yes, let's first look at the platform and open some trades. I'm going to tell you about FTT and Nick is going to tell us about Forex. FTT is fixed time trading. This trading instrument is a big favorite of traders that like to trade on lower time frames. There is a very high rate of return, which you can see next to each of the assets, which means that you can make a big profit in a short period of time. So first, what we have to do is we have to choose the asset that we are going to trade. Currently, the United States session is open as well as the European trading session, so we can look at a lot of different assets because this is actually one of the busiest trading sessions. So you do want to remember that there are different trading sessions in different parts of the world due to daytime business operating hours.
So, well, at first...
So every day, Monday through Friday, the trading session kicks off in Asia and ends in the United States.
Well, okay, so Angie, so when you choose, so after you select an asset, so what are you going to do next?
So personally, first I analyze what is going on with the price. When I trade on FTT, I normally select a lower time frame because the maximum time that a trade can remain open on FTT is actually only 24 hours.
Unfortunately, yes.
A lot of traders like to trade on the lowest time frame, such as the 1 minute time frame and a 5 minute time frame. I would recommend for you guys to select a time frame starting with at least 15 minutes, especially if you are a beginner trader. But because we do want to see the result for today, I'm trading on the 5 minute time frame. And on lower time frames, generally I rely on technical analysis, especially levels of support and resistance. And one more thing I just want to mention is that you do want to pay attention to you want to check the economic calendar before you start trading, just in case there's going to be some major news release. So what we can see here is that we're looking at the GBP AUD. We're looking at the 5 minute time frame. I have identified my levels of support and resistance. I can see that the price tried to break this level, but we're coming back up again. This is why I'm going to go ahead. The next thing that I need to do is select my trade amount. And generally, you do want to keep your trades between 2 to 5% of your account balance. So just roundabout, I have 13,000. So my trade amount is going to be 250. So I do have my levels of support and resistance. And what I'm actually observing right now is a potential breakout to the downside. And actually, I do want to trade down. So basically, we have selected my trade amount, my trade duration. The next thing is my trade duration. The trade duration means the expiration time. This is in how long the trade is going to close. And as a general rule, you do want your trade duration to be ×2 or ×3 your working time frame. So since I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame, I'm going to choose a trade duration between 10 and 15 minutes. I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes. As you can see, we have a breakout. The price is trying to retest this level, and I'm going to try and trade down for 10 minutes, my friends.
Okay, well, that is why, my friends, it's really important to analyze where the price is likely to go and please don't open random trades. Yes, well, it most certainly will take practice and experience to get the hang out of and still your forecast won't be correct 100%, unfortunately, of the time. And that's nothing to worry about. Well, it's simply just...
It's a part of trading.
Part of trading, yeah, so that's it. So let's have a look. So what's going on? Well, Angie, well, as you can see, my friends, well, the price broke the support line and now the price is falling down. Well, and Angie has opened her down trades So right now we are in profit.
I guess I should explain the main parameter of how FTT works. So I just didn't want to miss this trade opening. On FTT, what we have to predict, what we have to determine is if the price of the asset is going to be either higher or lower than the current price after a certain period of time. That's our trade duration.
Okay, so let's have a look. So what's going on? Yeah, so my friends, as you can see, well, here the price definitely it was moving sideways. Yes, and so now you see that after the breakthrough, yeah, so the price continues to
Decline.
to decline.
If
Yes.
I may just mention just one more quick little thing, is that also on FTT, what you can do is you can set up an order. So let's say that your price is traveling in this range right here, or let's say that the price is coming back up, and I want to trade down from this level of resistance, but I'm not going to be in front of the computer or whatever the case may be. What we can do is we can click on order, enter this quote right here, and set up for the trade to open at that specific quote, either up or down.
Or we can cancel it after a while. Yes.
Yes.
So my friends, so this is like the basic things about trading on FTT and just the basic stuff. Of course, we are going to speak more about trading on FTT and speak more about practice, how to use your skills, yes, on FTT. So by the way, Angie, your trade is still in plus, yes, it's in profit. So 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes left, and I have time to speak more about
All the glory of Forex.
all the glory of Forex, my friends. So if you want to trade on Forex, so you should choose, well, at first you should choose the special bookmark. And after that, again, so you need to choose an asset. Yes, well, as for me personally, I'd like to trade on 3M company. So what is really important here, that on Forex, usually we are using higher time frames. Yes, so not minutes, not 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but as for me personally, I prefer to use daily time frames, my friends. And as we can see now, well, as for 3M company, on a daily time frame, we see the following picture. Well, the price broke the trend line. Yeah, so well, as you can see, the trend was definitely bearish. Yeah, so the price was falling down, but after a while, so the price broke this line up and started moving up. And well, as you can see right now, so here is our confirmation line. So this pattern is called double bottom pattern. So this is a reversal pattern for bulls, yes, and actually for the price to move up. So if the price breaks this line, it continues to move up. So well, as for me personally, I expect that the price will break this line, and in this case, so I can open the trades up. So I'm using the same amount, $250. And also what is really important in Forex, that I can use a multiplier. So this is a special ratio that increases the amount of my trades. Yes, well, here I will use the multiplier 20, and I'm opening the trades up. So here what is really important, my friends, that my profit depends on the distance that the price will go. Yes, so the bigger is the distance, the bigger is the profits, or the bigger is the possible losses. So that's why, so to limit my losses, I also can do the following thing. So I can use a special order which is called stop loss. Yes, so here in my trades, if I open my trade, so I can set my stop loss. So for example, I don't want to lose more than $50. And also I can set the take profits order. Yeah, so the profits, the order which allows me to make profits if the price reaches the level. Yes, so here in this case, so you see that my stop loss is minus 50 and my take profit is plus 150.
1 to 3 risk to reward ratio.
Yes, we're gonna speak about it later, of course, my friends. And what I can do next, yeah, so if the price continues to move up, yeah, so if the price continues to rise, yes, I can move my stop loss well after the price, yes, in the direction of the price movements, yes, and even I can do it so that the stop loss will be even in a profitable zone after a while, so that I will make profits even if the price
Moves in the opposite direction.
in the opposite direction. Yes, so you're absolutely right. So let's wait for a while. So let's have a look at our trade. Well, still on Forex, you see that it's in minus, but on FTT, so Angie's trade is in plus. Yeah, so let's move into switch into 5 minutes time frame, and you see that the price continues to decline. Yes.
Yeah, just one thing I did want to mention about the Forex. The stop loss will be by default automatically set to the amount of your trade, so you cannot lose more than the amount of your trade, regardless of how much you have on your deposit.
That's it. You're absolutely right. Okay, my friends. So while we are waiting for NG's trade to close, yeah. So let's analyze another assets, and actually, I suggest us to look at the most popular currency. It's Euro USD. So, well, as you can see here on the daily time frame, so you see the following situation. Well, actually, so the trend was bullish. Yeah. So the price was rising for a while. Yes, in April and in May, euro was rising, but after a while, so the United States dollar started strengthening against the European currency, and now we see some type of a flat here. Yeah, so it's when the price is moving sideways. So here you see that actually, so the price almost reached the resistance level. Why is it a resistance level? Because look, so this level was at some type of a support level, yes, so where the price bounced back from this level, yes. Just before this, it was in March, so the price, this level was again the level of resistance, and before this in February again, so this level was some type of support one, yes. So that's why we can say that actually this level is quite strong, and in this case we can expect that euro will continue to move down against the United States currency. So the United States currency will strengthen against euro. In other words, yes. Well, in this case, on forex, so I can try to trade down on euro. So that's why. So I will use the same amounts, $250, with the same trading parameters. Yes. Well, I mean minus 50 as a stop loss and plus 150 as a take profit. Again, so I set my down order, down trade. And as you can see, well, right now, so actually, because my multiplier was 500, yeah, so of course my profits and my loss will change more rapidly. Okay.
The thing that you want to remember about the different multipliers, and of course we'll explain this more as we go, but the higher the multiplier that you use, the more potential profit you will gain, but the closer your stop loss will be to the price. The smaller the multiplier, the less potential profit, but the less risk.
Oh, well, that's it. That's it. So let's have a look, Angie. So actually, my trade was already closed, by the way. So because of the short stop loss, but still your trade is in profit, yes? So my friends, 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Yes, so Angie's trade on FTT is in profit. So let's switch again into lower time frames, into 5 minutes, and have a look. So what's going on? Well, I guess that's everything will be fine. Yes, so Angie, what do you think?
Yep, and just one more thing that I wanted to mention, as you can see, we kind of switched between FTT and Forex, and we also switched at different time frames. So you want to understand that on Forex, you can hold your positions again for as long as you like while you're gaining profit on the price movement. And you can also take advantage of FTT trading on smaller price fluctuations and smaller time frames.
That's for sure. That's for sure, my friends. Also, there is a special thing which is called a double screen, but we're gonna speak about it later.
Yep, tomorrow.
Okay, well, that's for sure. So, my friends, so what's going on? So, Angie, your trade is still in plus. Yes,
it's going
so that's
good.
fine.
So while we're waiting for my trade to close, what I want to mention is that we have so many different topics for you guys planned. We have quizzes and prizes and a promo code. Lots of excitement for you. So make sure to watch the Traders Lab till the end.
That's it, my friends. And also we have a full schedule, yes, of our live webinars on YouTube channel, yes. And we are going to, so this week, so our goal is to get your acquaintance and familiar with the platform so that you will understand the correct way to make a stable profit, yes. So we are going to do it all together with all our analysts. Yes.
So once again, you can check the full schedule on our YouTube channel in our videos. Just click on upcoming live streams. You can also check the community. Our latest post has all the information, all the links, all the dates, and so forth. I just want to mention that tomorrow.
Well, as for tomorrow, well, Yaroslav and Angie again, yeah? So it will be Tuesday, June 29th, 12 p.m. UTC. So they will learn all about the platform features and different assets.
Then on Thursday, join
on Wednesday.
excuse me on Wednesday, join Nick and he will tell you all about money management and trading psychology.
That's it.
By the way, the entire Traders Lab this week is going to be conducted at 12 p.m. UTC.
Well, after that on Thursday, so it will be again me with Yaroslav. So to learn about proper price forecasting, so we're gonna speak more about support, resistance levels, well, different indicators and how to use them.
Then it's going to be a happy Friday with Alex, along with trading helpers, indicators, and strategies.
And also, my friends, we are going to trade with you even on Saturday. Yeah, so Alex and Angie will show you all the advantages of weekend trading, my friends. Yeah, so just don't miss.
My friends, there is a special promo code that we have for you for this event. The promo code is LAB30, LAB30. It's going to add plus 30% to your deposit, and it works from today until this coming Saturday, which is going to be July the 3rd.
That's it. So, Angela, let's return back to the platform. Well, my friends,
It
our
was a
trade
success.
closed.
It was a success.
Yeah, so that's it, my friends. Well, actually, so you see, well, the trends, so let's have a look. So the trends continues to be bearish. Yeah, so I suggest that we can open another trade. So what do you think?
On FTT?
On FTT, yeah, so for 10 minutes. So let's decrease the amount of money, my friends. Yes, so that we are not for 100% sure. Yes, but so let's open it on $100. Yes, down. Okay, my friends, so while we are waiting for our trades to be closed, yeah, so you see that actually, so our trades on FTT, so it's in plus, yes, well,
We took advantage of that bearish move.
that's it. And also, my friends, so let's return back to Forex. So while we are waiting, and let's have a look at some other assets. So I suppose, so what is really great here that we can analyze and we can trade on like different assets. So for example, stocks, indices, metals, and so on. So let's look at Apple stocks. Yes, well, Apple is a really famous company, and its stocks is really popular. So let's have a look at what's going on a daily time frame. Yeah, so you see that on a daily time frame again. So let's analyze where the price goes. Yeah, so you see that the price is rising, and the trend is more bullish here. Yes, and also so I can set the trend line, which will be like this. Yeah, so I'm actually linking all the lowest lows of the price. Yeah, so all the candlesticks here, and so now you see that well, the price bounced back, yes, from the support level. Well, in this case also, my friends, I think that we can try to open an up trade here, yes, on Forex, so that actually, so the price, I suppose that the price will continue to move up. By the way, so I can use different indicators also, yes, so to confirm my suggestions. Well, but as for indicators, we will speak about it further, and we'll speak about it later. Okay, so while we are waiting, so let's open an up trade here. Yes, so but as for the multiplier, I will use the multiplier 10, $100, and the trade will be opened up. So let's have a look. Okay, so now we have like several trades. So 2 trades on Forex and 2 trades on FTT. Yeah, so 2 trades on FTT. I opened even 2 trades, yes, on $100. So still we are in plus, and that's really good. That's really good. So 7 minutes left. Yes.
Another thing that I wanted to mention, whenever you are drawing your levels of support and resistance, like Nick was just showing you, you do want to get the maximum amount of price touches without the price breaking beyond the levels. So
that's it. You're absolutely right. So, my friends, pay attention to such things. Well, sometimes you see that the price can break the level and return back. Of course, it's better to try to avoid such situations, but unfortunately, it's not like you cannot be always for 100% sure that the price will not break this level, yes, and that the price will bounce back.
What we call this is a false breakout, and a lot of times how you can identify a false breakout is with the shadow. How you can confirm that a breakout is occurring is if the price closes below this level and then comes back as a retest before
That's it, absolutely right. So by the way, so while we are waiting, you see NG, yes, so that the stop loss level is quite
Far.
far, yes, from the opening price. Well, I guess that we can move it just below the support level, yes, so somewhere here. You see, my friends? Well, in this case, it means the following. So, well, even somewhere here, yes. In this case, it means the following. So, why did I do this? Because if the price breaks this level, yes, actually, so with high probability, the trends will change. And in this case, of course, it will be better if my trade will be closed, and I will lose only well around $18 instead of instead of the whole amount. Yes, so $100.
Indeed.
Indeed, yes. So we are still waiting. So we have 5 minutes, and so you see, my friends, that on FTT, so our trades, so still British pound is is falling down against the Australian dollar.
Yeah, the pound is going down.
By the way, Angie. So what do you think? So where is the target for the British pound?
I mean, if we were looking at the 5-minute time frame, once again, what you can do is identify levels of support and resistance, and these would be your potential targets. I would say that my target would be around here. I can just switch this right here.
Like this, yes.
So this is the last area that we were reaching at. We are at a level right now, reaching a level where the price may have some struggle. But further down, I would go for here.
That's for sure. So, my friends, so to find such levels, yes. So look at the history of the price. Yes. So this is the main theme of technical analysis. So we are analyzing the history of the price, and actually, so we are trying to. So we think that the history will repeat itself. Yes, and also to be sure that so this is the support level. You may switch into higher time frames. Yeah, so for example, we are trading on 5 minute time frame, so I can look at 10 minutes time frame, so that I will be sure that the price will continue to fall.
You get like a more global, bigger picture of what's going on with the price.
For sure. Well, as you can see, well, Angie did it just because she saw that the price touched this level for several times. But if you look at the history, so let's switch into even 15 minutes, you see that actually this level was definitely a really strong level. Yes, so because so here in June, so it was some type of a resistance level. Yes, and before this we had this level as a support one. So let's have a look what's going on. Yeah, so still our trades are open, so still we have 3 minutes. So while we are waiting, my friends, so let's have a look at some other currencies. Angie, what do you think about USD GPY? So what's going on here?
Well, on USD JPY, we do see that we have a clear, like a local downtrend. The only thing that I'm kind of struggling with opening right now is I do see this big movement down, but I do see this local trend line down as well. And although our trend has accelerated to the downside, my ideal entry point would have been from at least either this level of support turned resistance, or from this upper boundary of resistance of trend line. But it does look like if we break this line, this area down, this strong area of support down, then it's
well, yes,
definitely selling.
That's for sure. Yes. So you see, my friends. So the same idea. Yes. So we have like several prices that touched the level of support. So the level of support we can define as something like that. Yes, as a horizontal line somewhere here, and the price is pretty close to this level. That it means that highly likely, well, the price may bounce back. Will try to bounce back. So there will be fight for this level. Yes, but still, if the price breaks it, we may say that the downtrends will continue. Yes, so let's look. So how it's what's going on here. Yes, and
we'll have to see how strong the USD bears
are.
Oh
yeah, so that's for sure. So on 1 hour time frame, oh my God, yeah. So still, so you see, and the global picture is a little bit different. Yes, Angie, what do you think?
Well, yes, but this was a strong level of support. We tried to break this level, but couldn't. We couldn't break this level. So,
but still, there is no trend. Yes, well, as you can see, well, still the price is in flat. Yeah, so we may set the resistance line, well, somewhere here. Yes, well, I guess at these maximums. Yes, and even somewhere here. So we say that we have some type of a range even here. Yeah, so the resistance range. Yeah, so between this price and this one. Yes, and actually, so right now the price is moving more sideways. Okay, so let's open our trade. So we still 40 seconds, and we have 40 seconds till the end. So and we are in plus. And that's really good.
And we're pretty far away from our opening price, so
yeah. Yeah, well, I don't think that's actually so. The price will start to rise, yes, and so we'll have minus. So let's wait for a while, my friends. So 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left, so the moments of glory. Yeah, what do you
moment
think?
of glory. In the meantime, my friends, while we are waiting for this epic moment, I do want to remind you, so please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed our lesson, and of course ring on the notifications bell. And likewise, my friends, we do hope to see all of you on our social networks. Let's see.
Yeah, our trades were closed in plus, my friends.
Positive
Well,
territory.
congratulations. So again, see you next time.
A great Monday, a great starting for our Traders Lab. Once again, don't forget to come and see us tomorrow, same time. Thanks so much.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.